Okay. All right,
I don't
guys.
even know
So
what you do.
we're set up. Some instructions. All right. Well, I'll show you when the volcano erupts. Wow. Okay, guys. We're about to put it in. All right. Whenever I want, I can just.
That's good.
Oh, that boys! The volcano just erupted. Oh my gosh, it's bubbling at the top. It's like blood.
It's fizzing.
No, it's blood. Yeah, boy.
Well, we could do it again. Mace.
Okay.
Or you put more of this.
Well,
Maybe we'll put this
look,
in.
the top is sizzling like real lava.
Ooh, it's
Whoa!
foaming. Oh, that's cool.
Oh my, there's like bubbles.
You should take a picture of it. For your stop motion.
Look at this. I think it needs a little more water. Guys, this is insane. Look at that pile. Mom. Oh, I think I had too much water. Just dump the entire pile. I love how the stuff is just getting like kicked down the mountain. Like there's no water. Oh my gosh. Mom. Oh my. Guys, this is just insane. Add water. This is insane. This is probably like one of the coolest volcanoes I've ever seen. So yeah. Oh, imagine.
That's really cool.
Yeah, it is. You can see like the bits of the minerals or chemicals, whatever you call them, going down the volcano. It's really cool. Well, guys, that's going to end our video today. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.